Hi guys, it's Ava and I am going to be showing some slime today with my brother Charlie.
Hello.
Go subscribe to him and like him.
My channel is Charlie Ransom.
Okay.
Space Re
Okay, you don't. So we're going to be showing some slime. So I've made most of them and Charlie's showing 3 and I'm showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slime.
These are all made by Ava. But I have one slime.
That's his, and then he's showing 2 of mine.
Yes.
So let's go on. So you go first with your slime.
This is one of Ava's, the red one. So this is basically, it feels really dry and it's really gooey.
It's because if you don't put a lid on and you just leave it to go to air, it'll go really sticky and dry so it won't stretch. So that's what happened to this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is red slime.
But even with, wait, have you got that bouncy ball one?
Yeah, don't worry. We won't do that yet.
No, let me just tell you.
Right, we're going to do this exciting one last. So that's the red slime.
Where is it?
No. So I'm going to show one of mine. I call this the poop slime. So it looks like poop. So here it is. It's been nicely kept in the tub, so it's very stretchy. Watch this. Right, go on down. It goes down, especially with Charlie's. It's like snot going down.
Yeah.
So this is the poop slime.
Okay. I will say
You're next.
this is my slime. This slime, it is called Snotty. And why is it called Snotty? Because it's very like he looks like bogies. It's really sticky.
Right, do the wobbly
Really
thing.
Okay, but even there's one thing I need to.
Yeah, that's it.
You need to do a sausage roll. Then you can wiggle
Jiggle it, and it goes down. So bring it up a bit and wiggle it.
So
Can you see it moving down?
Can you see it now? It's like really downwards. But sometimes it sometimes it gets stuck onto your hand, like there's like a little bit on my hand, and you have to like dab it in.
Okay, so that's your slime. Now back to my slime. So I've got a turquoise glittery one. It looks green on the camera, but it's not. So this is a turquoise one, and it's got googly eyes in it. So this one's a really sticky and stretchy one.
Wait, Ava, what's that purple thing?
Oh, that's just I don't know what you call them.
But please, in the comments below, which slime do you like the best?
Yeah, once we're finished.
Yeah.
So this is the green turquoise one. Okay.
My last one is going to be marbles. Wait,
So that's my slime.
Yeah. What's it called?
It's called the ball. I don't know what it's called. I don't know.
And basically, I think Feeny made it. Feeny. And basically, it's like, it has balls, but it's actually slime. Feels really sticky.
Yeah, that's because it is. You can blow bubble if you stretch it out. You blow on it and it should make bubble.
Ew, it's on my fingers. Oh. Slime is the hardest thing.
So we're going to try and be a bit quiet because our dad's up in bed. Yeah. So now we're going to do the blobby one. So this is a blue one. It's only got eyeballs in. And it does the same. Very fast and stretchy. But then if we leave it a bit,
they'll like dry out and then they'll go like really flat.
Can you see it moving?
It's gonna go like really flat, like my hand.
And it'll just move out. If you leave it there 5 minutes, it'll flatten out and
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, so it's like mine. Mine's like going really outwards.
Just going to
Well, you can't hold it up when it's doing it.
Okay, I'm just going to put it back.
Okay. Do you want that to be the end?
No, we've still got a couple more slimes.
Okay.
So, yeah. I've got, so this one's the same, but really glittery. So that's that one. It's stretchy, but we just don't have enough time. This one's a purple one. I don't know if this is my favourite, but it's really nice.
If I can just tell them the ball one.
No, not now. Right. So that's the purple one. And now,
The final one.
last but not least, it's really good. I don't think anyone's done this before, but I've made like, oh my god, what has happened here? It's lost it there. I haven't done that before.
How did you make it white?
So, I got a slime kit, and I was making slime. I tried to make clear slime, but I made this slime. It's not really slime, but it's like...
It's like a really bouncy ball. Go on, do it to me.
Right, wait. Watch this, it bounces. It bounces.
It bounces really good.
So, watch.
Oh, go get that.
It fell on the floor. It bounces so much.
Okay, let's try that again. Okay, watch.
It bounces.
Not my fault.
So bouncy falls off us.
It's like a bouncing ball. It's like a basketball, but it's not. It's just
That's that one. I don't know how I made it. I made it clear, but then we were bouncing it about
with Nan.
with our nan, and then and then Charlie threw it into my blue slime, and it went inside.
Yeah,
and then it made a marble.
Yeah, we used every slime except for Mummy's and then it made
Colour.
like a marble.
So
Like a rainbow marble.
yeah,
Wait, let's see the difference of that to my marbles. I'll just go and get my marbles.
what marbles, Charlie? Oh, so we're gonna gather up these slimes. Oh, so much slime.
Got it. Okay, got it. Nan.
Oh,
Marbles. Let's see how different it's from to my marble.
it's really, this one's rock hard.
Yeah, it's a real marble. Well, let me just show you how to do it. Okay, so you've got a
Don't bounce it.
So, it didn't bounce. And marble, it's going to be like that. So it has to be like that. And you have to get all the smallest balls, like 4 to each player. So you'll have 2 now, and I'll have 2. And basically, you've got to like hit it to the giant ball, like flick it, and then if mine like goes there, right from there, Ava has to try and get hers in the middle.
We're not gonna do that.
Nope, it'll make maybe on a different video.
So we're just gonna show you all slimes. See, that's all of the slimes. They're the tubs and things. so you can't really see them.
Ava, next video, is it going to be a house tour? Is it going to be a house
So that's all the slimes, and that's the slimes for today. So I'll see you later. And yeah, so swim, 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 swim with my friends.